Hey, it's Aleric, and I wanted to record a quick video to tell you about my brand new OmniPresent Retargeting Machine webinar. I am so excited for this. You're actually going to be able to find the link right down there in the description below this video. We have our brand new OmniPresent Retargeting Machine webinar. Now, you've probably seen me all over the place talking about YouTube ads. You know I love YouTube ads as the top of funnel. That's where you get your leads coming into your business. You use YouTube ads to bring in those leads, but then what do you do with the leads once they're already in your funnel? Well, you use what I call my OmniPresent Retargeting Machine to retarget them everywhere online on every single major platform, essentially reaching them everywhere until they convert. And that's what I wanted to show you in my OmniPresent Retargeting Machine webinar. Now, if you've been in my funnel for a while, you probably see me pop up literally everywhere, all over the internet, and that's by design. That's what I want to show you how you can do in this new webinar. Let me give you a sneak preview, but by the way, at any time, you can go down there into the description of this video and actually go ahead and sign up for the webinar right now. It was just released. So let me turn around my computer, turn around my screen, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here is our OmniPresent Retargeting Machine webinar. As you can see, how to retarget your ideal clients everywhere online to gain new clients, retention, and of course, profits. Now on this webinar, we're gonna be diving into this OmniPresent Retargeting Machine concept. Now, obviously, you know I love YouTube ads to get leads coming in the door, but this actually works regardless of whatever you're using. Maybe you're using Facebook ads, obviously YouTube ads, maybe and Facebook, organic, wherever your leads are coming from, you can leverage the OmniPresent Retargeting Machine because this is getting in front of those leads you already have on every major platform to be able to indoctrinate them and get them to convert. So retargeting on YouTube, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Taboola, Outbrain, Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, AdRoll, all of the major platforms, we're retargeting them everywhere in order to get them to convert. Now, obviously, as you can see, we've got this whole webinar set up here. You can click the link down there in the description to get to this page. Go ahead and sign up for the next showing of the webinar. But I actually wanted to give you a sneak peek inside to really get a taste for what this looks like, what we're going to be covering on the webinar, and why I am so excited about this, and how valuable this is going to be. Because as you can see here, I'm actually going to give you a taste of what's inside the webinar in a second, but really, I really liken this your OmniPresent Retargeting Machine almost to that of a microwave. So think about it as a microwave. You got all of these kernels, and imagine all of these kernels are all of your leads. So whether you gotten these from YouTube ads or a different type of platform or organic, wherever you get these leads, these are all of your kernels, all of your leads in your business. Now, what you want to do is you want to turn on the OmniPresent Retargeting Machine, which is, running YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Google, LinkedIn, all the other platforms we talked about, constantly indoctrinating those ideal clients with ads on every platform, warming them up, getting them warmer and warmer and warmer until they start to pop, and then they start to pop even more until you have a gigantic brimming pile of, new clients coming into your business. All of these popcorn kernels are new clients, right? These are leads that are being warmed up by every major platform until they're ready to pop. And so what we do on this webinar is we actually break down, what this actually looks like. So obviously we have our YouTube retargeting ads. So we have, we show you, how our testimonial supercut works, how to get all of these testimonials back to back and how to run that as a retargeting ad. Maybe you've seen our version of that. We also have a complete script on how to do your YouTube retargeting ads as well and how to set this up. Just kind of going around here, you can see we've got a whole retargeting ad script that we give you and we talk about. You can also see that we show you how to target these YouTube ads and when to reach people. Within our OmniPresent Retargeting Machine, we have our YouTube version of this as well. And so you can see here that we're actually breaking down, okay, how do these actual ads work? Where do we target them? What does it look like? And then we get a little bit into, how to actually do your Google retargeting. So exact match search. If people look up your brand name, what's going to happen? Where are you going to appear in the search results as well? We get into different types of Google retargeting ads like responsive banner ads. If you guys are in my retargeting sequence and you guys have been in my funnel for a while, you probably see me pop up everywhere. And that's what we're actually going to show you how to do in this webinar. We're going to be breaking down, what our strategy is, what our omnipresent retargeting strategy is in this webinar, actually going in depth into all of this as well. And also, we're going to show you some of our retargeting on Facebook. Like we found, for instance, Facebook group and ManyChat retargeting ads working incredibly well. We'll actually break down what that sequence looks like, how we get people into our Facebook group once they're already a lead. And again, all of this is that gigantic microwave we talked about, constantly warming up those leads until they're ready to pop and become clients. This is our omnipresent retargeting webinar. Again, the link to that is right down below, but that's what we cover in this webinar training. So I am so excited to finally show you my brand new omnipresent retargeting machine training. I know a few of you guys have been asking where I've been, because I know it's been a little while since I posted a YouTube video. And what I have been doing is working nonstop on this brand new webinar, brand new training for all of you. And also, this goes hand in hand with what we've integrated with our clients, because I'm not just doing a webinar on this. Obviously, I'm doing a webinar because this is what we show our clients. So I've built out an entire new portal and modules and trainings on every single omnipresent retargeting platform for our inner circle clients, which is kind of our higher tier marketing mastermind, which of course you could book a strategy call down below as well if you're interested in that. But what I wanted to do is actually walk you through this. And as you saw in that sneak preview, and that was just a small taste of what we cover on the webinar, I'm actually showing you the actual ads that I'm running and the actual strategy I'm using right now in my omnipresent retargeting, so that you'll learn how that works as well. You know me, I love value first webinars. So when you sign up for the webinar down below, you'll get the full strategy of how I use omnipresent retargeting to actually get in front of all of my leads again and again until they're ready to convert, warming them up like a gigantic microwave in order to warm up those leads and get more clients, boost revenue, retention, and profits. I'll see you on the webinar.